Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to post on Flickr. First of all, open the Flickr app on your device. And once the app opens up, you'll see a plus icon located at the bottom middle of your screen. So now simply tap on this plus icon because this is the option that allows you to upload new content. Don't worry, this will take you directly to your gallery section. As soon as you tap on the plus icon, your gallery will open up automatically, and now you'll see different albums available on your device. So just select any album where your desired photo or video is saved. This step helps you locate the exact content that you want to post on Flickr. Now, inside the album, simply tap on the photo or video that you want to upload on Flickr. In this case, we are selecting a video, but you can choose any media file you like. Once you select the file, it will be ready for uploading and editing. After selecting your media file, you'll notice a next option available at the top right corner of your screen. So now tap on Next, because this will take you to the information page where you can customize your post. Now here you can provide all the necessary information related to your post, like the title, description, and even the location if you want. Honestly, adding proper details makes your post look more professional and easier for others to find. So make sure you fill in the required information properly. Once you're done entering all the details, you'll see a share icon at the top right side of the screen. So now simply tap on Share, and your photo or video will be successfully posted on Flickr. So that's how you can easily post your photos or videos on Flickr without any hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to guide you.